Favor come from such way of life. Exactly. Can come from such way of life. So I urge every one of us out there. Some people are poor because they don't have consistency character. They know people. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depend where you're watching me from. Greetings to every great son of the world out there. My message to you guys this morning is actually not directed. My message has no address. My message is for everyone, everybody. What am I here to say for 2025? What am I here to say for 2025 is consistency. Consistency can make you become a better person. Consistency can easily draw favor to you. Consistency can favor you unexpectedly. What do I mean, or what am I trying to say? Or what am I trying to teach here? Let's say, for instances, let's use you have a brother or an uncle that is overseas. You have an uncle overseas, you have a brother overseas, you have a brother that is in abroad. Name it, have it. You have a brother out there, and you are expecting that your brother to help you. You're seeing that your brother as a means to probably travel to abroad countries, or probably find yourself somewhere else. You're seeing that your brother as an opportunity, but you don't have constant relationship with him. You don't have consistency with him. How do you think there will be possibility for him to help you or assist you? Be able to help you, be able to assist, because there's no consistency. Consistency is checking up on people, checking up on your loved ones constantly. You don't do it because of what you want to achieve. You don't do it because of what you want to gain. You don't do it because of what you want to get. You do it because it is important to check on your loved ones. Probably people you call friends, people feel that are your brothers, sisters. Consistency can get you to luck. When you consistently check them, to find out how they are, try to find out how they do, sometimes engage the cause constantly. Favor come from such way of life. Exactly. Favor can come from such way of life. So I urge every one of us out there. Some people are poor because they don't have consistency character. They know people. I know Dangote. I know this one. I have contact. I know people. I don't have money, but I'm not doing well, and they are not helping me. It is because you don't have consistency with them. You don't have a consistency relationship. You don't have a constant relationship with them. You're not keeping up with them. You're not keeping up on them. You're not knowing what's up with them. You know what's on, what goes on, and what does not go on with them. So consistency can connect you. Consistency can make someone to favor you just in a twinkling of an eye. When you're checking up on people, they carry in their mind. When you always think conversations with people, always think about you. Any little thing, anytime they remember their phone, remember conversation with you. It can easily bring confidence, can easily bring good luck. It can easily make your destiny part to help. Your destiny might be your boss, but your destiny might even be your friend. But because you don't have constant relationship with him, they see it as there's no point of helping you, point of doing anything for you. So consistency is very important. Greetings, everyone. I mean HSL AKAJIOFO or AGUIYI, your one and only AKAJIOFO in Umahia. Greetings. I'm not directing this video to any platform, anybody. It's just the word.